Right, well, the pre-open race should flash up for you on the screen, and we've got the Nifty. The Nifty opens well in the green, 130 points odd. It appears the Indian markets, they like what global cues came through, particularly with regard to the Fed commentary. And that's why, in fact, we've opened up well in the green. Britannia, for starters, at least it's a little crunchy, actually. So the street seems to have ignored the negatives, and the stock is up 2.5%. LTI Mindtree, well, that's up close to under 1.5%. IndusInd Bank as well, up more than 1%. The IT index, we made this point earlier today, that yesterday the Nifty IT index ended at the low point of the day. Today it could bounce back because the yields have cooled off and maybe things look a little bit better. So the IT index is up a whole percent. Tata Steel opened with a cut of around 2%, but that's popped up in trade. In fact, that's recovered from the day's low. So maybe the street wants to look ahead. And the global environment itself this morning is a little better than what we saw yesterday. Other couple of stocks that are moving along, Sirma, I think that's one stock that's taking a hard knock. But Mangalam, take us through the mid-cap list.
Well, the mid-cap index is doing a lot better than the frontline index this time around. We have almost 1,800 stocks advancing for just about 200 stocks which are declining. So at the open, the advanced decline is firmly in favor of gainers, nearly 10:1 out there. REC from the lows has recovered and currently sitting with a gain of almost 3% odd. RBL Bank is the other one in the F&O pack, which is doing extremely well with a gain of 3%. We're seeing just small cuts in names like India Mart and Whirlpool. As far as the number reactions are concerned, Godrej Consumer opens with a gain of almost 2% odd. Looking further down in the broader markets, well, HIL is one of those stocks which is down about 6% odd. Green Panel reported its numbers yesterday, fell in yesterday's trading session as well, and continues to fall today. There was sharp contraction in their margins for Green Panel, and that was on account of volume degrowth that we saw in both their MDF and plywood segments. And a couple of other stocks which are doing well. JK Tyre has said that, it's settled pretty high in the pre-open, and now it's open with a gain of almost 12% odd. So yes, the Nifty holds on to the gain, building onto those gains, and the mid-cap index is only one step higher. Just a word on the Nifty Bank. The Nifty Bank is just about 50 points away from its 200-day moving average, so an important technical level to watch out for as well. Once it sustains, crosses and sustains above those levels, maybe we could see a further up move on the Nifty Bank and concomitantly the Nifty too.
Well, the ingredients are there, Mangalam, for this to be a bit of a trending kind of a day. So let's see if that indeed is the case. At least from a global perspective, it's a bit of all clear. It's rarely ever all clear, but today it does seem like from a global perspective.